It is the biggest overhaul of our state court system in 4 decades, and just how well it works could have an impact on millions of people in our state. Good evening, everyone. I'm Rod Carter.
I'm Angela Taylor. Thanks for joining us. The 4 counties that will serve as ground zero for the launch are right here in central North Carolina, including Wake County. CBS 17's Russ Bowen is digging deeper into how nearly $100 million are being spent on a program with a questionable track record.
Tyler Technologies is the company that is implementing the software. The company has a mixed history of both success and frustration. Among the pages and stacks and files and staff, 100,000 cases make their way through the Wake County court system each year. To say the 1980s computer system that supports all of that is arcane would be an understatement.
They come in and you try and train them on the system that, literally for some of them is as old as twice their age. It's been a challenge to try and keep people engaged and be able to do the work using the system.
So the entire North Carolina court system is getting not just an upgrade, but a complete overhaul at a cost of more than $85 million. Before that happens, Wake, Lee, Harnett, and Johnston County will pilot launch the program February 13th. But that comes after a delay of more than a year.
It's one of those things that as you start to roll out new technology, there were just a number of points in time that we thought the system would be ready to go, that the technology just wasn't up, to where it needed to be in order to kind of push it out into the public.
Wake County District Attorney Lauren Freeman co-chaired the select committee that chose Tyler Technologies and their software program. The North Carolina Administrative Office of the Courts oversees technology upgrades. The fact glitches delayed the original launch may not come as a surprise if you look at the company's track record. Tyler has faced litigation and setbacks in multiple states. Officials in Shelby County, Tennessee were hit with a lawsuit after inmates who'd posted bond weren't released, and people were rearrested after their warrants were allegedly cleared. The California State Bar had to send out a notice after the public was able to access private case records. The Superior Court of Santa Clara, California sent out a notice after an issue with traffic tickets.
After sensitive data was made public, including dates of birth, driver's license, and socials, the family law cases were taken completely offline.
For nearly a year, defense attorneys in Lubbock County, Texas, continued to have trouble.
I'm still feeling the same frustrations. Justice is not being ultimately done in these cases.
I think one of the reasons you've seen this delay is that every possible effort has been made to try to avoid those types of things, but certainly we will be on high alert to see if we're having those types of problems and to do what we can to fix them.
Whether fixes will be needed or whether the system is flawless may take weeks or months to know. So I did ask Tyler Technologies for an interview or written comment. In their response today, the company spokesperson said that the best source of information regarding the implementations in North Carolina would be someone with the North Carolina Judicial Branch. That branch, by the way, works in tandem with the agency I just mentioned in that story, the North Carolina Administrative Office of the Court. So they did not respond directly to those questions. Tomorrow, I'll take you through what was missing when Tyler Technologies was actually chosen here in North Carolina, guys.
Very interesting stuff. Russ, thank you.